this is the comfort zone quiet fan. Right now it's at the lowest setting with the little moon for nighttime. Then the second setting, it's still quiet. The airflow is kind of bad. It only reaches like here. And then the highest setting, like the most, reaches like about 2.5 feet, so like out here or something. It could reach further, I guess. I have the screen on, even though I already have a screen here. It's caught some debris and bugs. The screen was kind of tricky to put on, but it's good.
Hi, how you doing? I just bought this fan, and you can hear how loud it is. You can feel the air a little bit from this far away. You can feel it a little bit better back here, but you can't feel it over here, and you can't feel it over here. You can feel it right here in the middle. It must meet together, and right here is the hardest spot, and then right here it blows like a little bit, and this is on high. For over $50, I was expecting a lot more. I will be sending this back.
We got that at Home Depot for the same price, $39.99. 6 blade instead of 3 blades, and it's got reversible. It's the same as the other, but we don't have to flip it around or anything. Just turn your button in for air out and out for air out, and 3-speed, and adjust it to low or high as fast as we want. And that at Home Depot. This is a box. You can find it on Amazon. It's that one. Hampton Bay, 9-inch twin fan. We sent the other one back because it would not blow worth of nothing.
Is where you're going to find your clips. They will not hold the weight, otherwise you're good at the top, but find your clips at the bottom. Pro tip. Good fan.
Grisham sack fly for a 2-0 lead. Yankees needing to lean on their bullpen. Clay Holmes comes in for the 4-out save.